So, if you've been looking for a new construction community that gives you more space, modern designs, and convenient location close to everything, then you're definitely going to want to check out Oak Manor by Meritage. Here in Garner, North Carolina, this community features beautiful two-story homes with open concept floor plans ranging from around 1,700 to over 3,200 square feet. So whether you're looking for something cozy or need extra room for growing family, there's a lot of great options here in Oak Manor. So by the way, stick around because we're going to walk you through this beautiful home together and see what makes Oak Manor such a special place to call home, and also their bonus incentives for buyers. So stick around. Hey everyone, I'm Anjanette here, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina, helping people move to places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, um, here in Garner and Apex. And also if you've been looking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. I tour homes, explore communities, and basically do all the walking so you don't have to. But until you're ready, go ahead, hit and like that button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss anything. And whenever you're ready in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, reach out to me. I help people just like you every day, and I love to help you too. Hey, welcome to Meritage Homes, and this subdivision is called Oak Manor. And today we're going to tour this home right here, which is finished. And actually, this home offers 5 bedroom and 3 bathrooms, and about 2,900 square feet homes, and with a two-car garage. So why don't you come with me and let's take a tour together? Hey, right now we're inside Oak Manor here, and this home is built by Meritage, and this floor plan is called Chatham, and there's 5 bedroom here, 3 full bathrooms, and also about 29 square feet. So right now we're inside, and as you walk in from the door to your foyer, it's on this right side is the beautiful large office space. This is a good size office space. See, as you can see, actually, this home is a client of mine. They purchased this one and they love it. And we're going to be closing next week. So today we're actually going to have a home orientation. So as you can see, there are like lots of blue tapes around. But, that's why as you can see, there's always like blue tapes that you will see or notice on the walls. So, okay, let's see. This one is their nice deep coat closet or slash utility closet. For some reason, oh, I wonder there's no light here, but that's something they can probably add later on. And as you walk inside, this is actually a radon test. They're doing a radon test right now. So as you walk in, this is your living space right here. This is your living room. And then your dining area is over on this section here towards your uh, patio. As you can see, this is a nice lot because it backs to trees in your backyard for more um, added, serenity and peaceful, quiet backyard. Lots of trees in the back and so much privacy, and good for entertaining. And let's walk in here. Actually, this home, I was able to get the full package. You know, the Meritage has an off, they offered us full package of appliances. So it came with a refrigerator and then washer and dryer, and they also paid for the blinds. So those are good, good promotions by Meritage that they gave my clients, so they don't have to spend those out of pocket when they move in. So look, this is a 5 gas burner. My client really likes gas, so she got that. And then a range hood, which sucks all the exhaust. Very important when you're cooking. And look at this nice stainless steel deep um, sink, and also quartz countertops. And over here, so this floor plan offers already an office space and also a nice guest room right here. And look, this guest room is tucked in this corner for more privacy and quietness. And if it backs to this nice, beautiful, uh, trees in the back for more added quietness to this room. So it's really nice. And this one has this closet space here. And your guests will be happy because they have a full bathroom down here for added comfort. So I like the fact that Meritage, put this one where you can put all your shampoo, soap, all that you need when you shower. So that's a nice feature there. So why don't we go this one here, this corner here, right here. My home, the owners can probably later on add like a cubby or a drop zone here where you can have a bench right here and hooks here for your coats and more storage space on the top to make use of this corner here. And this one is the um okay, this leads to the two-car garage. It's a pretty good size garage, I would say, and more shelving space here later on if you needed more storage. So that's something you can add. All right, let's go upstairs. This is nice. I like that. As you as you are up here, you will be greeted by this huge loft area. You can convert this to like study area, and then maybe a media room here, perfect for family. And I think that's what my client are going to convert this later on. So why don't we here's the bedroom number one right here. Actually, there's 5 bedrooms here total. There's already one bedroom, a guest bedroom, and there's total 4 bedrooms up here. So this is bedroom number one on the second floor, and this is the this is the closet space for this bedroom. And then here's another one bedroom number two. It's pretty good size, I should say. And this bedroom has this closet space here. It's nice and deep, and it has more space on to the both sides. All right, where are we going? Okay, we're going here. And this is the shared full bathroom. It has 2 sinks, okay, vanity sinks to share for these bedrooms here. This is your laundry area, laundry room. Pretty good size. So Meritage, like I said, Meritage offer a free washer and dryer for my clients. So that's one thing that is really helpful for them. So they don't have to purchase those, and so that's helpful. More closet space here, and bedroom number three right here. And this one also has a closet space. So these are all the bedrooms on this side. And now let us go to the finale, the primary bedroom suite. Wow. good size, don't you think? Look at this. You can fit a nice, huge king size bed over here, two um, two nice dresser table on both sides, and you have this nice nook area here where you can convert it maybe another seating arrangement for added comfort on this room, because some folks, they like to put some nice couch or chairs over here just to relax and unwind, as an added space for this bedroom suite. So, all right, let's go to the primary bathroom here. It has these two sinks right here, vanity sinks, walk-in shower here, and then your water closet, privacy. There, I like those private water closets, and more storage here for your towels, your toiletries, and stuff like that. And on this right side is your huge walk-in master closet. Amazing, right? This is huge. I love it. It's very good size. So this also community offers like a community pool, and we have a great price for this. As of today, my clients are very happy with the price. We This price was closed for around 425,000. Can you believe that? Um, I just checked that the prices had gone up, quite a bit. So we were very fortunate to get this price for my clients. So they're happy. One thing about buyers that they love about this home is that they are built with energy efficient features designed to help make everyday living more comfortable and potentially save on utility costs too. And so why don't we talk about the location, because that's always so important. Oak Manor here gives you a quick access to downtown Raleigh, I-40, and you're just minutes away from shopping here, dining, and everyday convenience at the White Oak Crossing. Plus, homeowners get to enjoy some really nice community amenities, including the swimming pool, clubhouse, and walking trails here. And perfect for getting outside and also meeting neighbors or just enjoying the lifestyle of this community offers. So also here's a little bonus for you. Enjoy the rates starting as low as 3.99%, uh, plus also 15,000 in closing cost credit on select homes. So if you're thinking about moving to the Triangle, especially Garner or nearby areas here, and you want to see communities just like this one in this great location, feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can call me, text me, or send me an email. I'd love to hear what you're looking, uh, and I'm really anticipating or happy to help and help you through the process. And just also remember, I help a lot of buyers and locally and those relocating from out of state as well. So there's so many options here in Garner, and I'm hoping that this is where you find your next home in Oak Manor. Watch the
Live by the potion. Love it is the potion.